What's up, LNC Fam? Welcome back to another video. I got myself a new project, Lamborghini Huracan, front end damage. I haven't seen the car. The car is arriving right now in the tow truck. We'll go out and look at it together. And I got quick announcement. You guys always ask for what happened, nothing happened, t-shirts. So we finally made a bunch of merch, t-shirts, sweaters, hats, license plate frames. So check out our website, LNCMOTORSPORT.com. I'll put the link down in the description and get yourself a little LNC merch. We got a bunch of orders going out. They're going out quick. And once they're sold out, we're not gonna make any new ones. We'll try to make something else. So everything is limited. So go ahead, check out the store and get yourself something nice. So for now, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and let's go look at our new build. New project just arrived. Lamborghini Huracan. Just got the Lamborghini inside of the shop, so now we can start working on it. I just put the quick jacks underneath the car. We're gonna lift it up so I got full access to the front end, and we'll start taking everything apart, replace everything, and ready to go. Andre already painted all the parts, so gonna be a Lego puzzle, direct replacement, and we're good. So we got new fenders, hood, and bumper over there. Still need to paint the bumper. Get this bad boy going. Big shout out to Quick Jacks. I'll put all their information down in the description. So now let's start working. And once again, first things first, gotta open the frunk. Remove the frunk, remove all the covers, and then we gotta remove the wheels, pull the under fenders and under shield, and the bumper and hood and fenders, everything's gonna come out. Another Lego puzzle, let's do this. Let's go. Oh, and by the way, the car is white, original color. It's not yellow, the car is wrapped. So if you guys are wondering why the parts are white and the car is yellow. Gonna remove the wrap, or we're gonna put the wrap back. I'm not sure yet what we're gonna do, but for now, my job is to replace everything. Just remove the bumper. Next, we're gonna start removing the fenders. On this side, I gotta remove the fender and headlight. On this side, just gotta remove the fender. And then for the final, we'll remove the hood and start test fitting the new parts. Just removed everything, so now for the final, gotta replace the headlight. Unfortunately, this one is broken. One of the tabs are broken. So we got a new one right here, brand new, straight from the dealer. So we'll replace it, And then we'll start installing the fenders, hood, and wrap this thing up and ready to go.
That's it, just put the front end together, everything is perfect, gaps are perfect.
Just how I like it, check it out. Boom, perfect gap over here. Perfect gap over here. So next we could start installing the bumper. I already put the bumper together. Transfer all the sensors, all the wires to the new bumper. So now we're ready to start installing. And I actually like this car in white. It looks really good, white and black. Can't go wrong.
Okay, let's install the bumper, wrap this thing up, and we'll go from there.
Gotta grab the key. Open the trunk.
And now let's install the bumper.
Boom, ready to go. Came out beautiful. Once again, gaps are perfect. Ready to go. So next we could start installing the fender liners underneath shield. And it's ready to go. Then for the final, obviously the front, and we're done. I just put the Lamborghini completely together. My job is done for now. Let's take a look. Check out this beauty, man. I love this color, white with black. It looks amazing. Perfect gaps everywhere. The only thing I didn't install is this emblem. The car is actually going to a wrap shop. They're gonna rewrap the car. So everything is matching, and I believe they're gonna do a different color as well. So right now, let's pull the car out and let's go drop it off at the wrap shop.